My dear students, I am going to explain you the difference between distance and displacement. The first thing is that when something is in motion, when in particular any object is in motion, in that case, in a particular time, how much length it travels, how much length it covers while in motion, that is the distance. Whereas in displacement, in a particular time, in a particular direction, how much the moving particle travels. That means you can say the length from the initial point to the final point in a particular direction. Because when you are finding the length from the initial point of motion to the final point of motion, you will find that there is a direction, and that length is only the displacement. So we say that distance can never be zero or negative, but displacement can be zero, can be positive, can be negative also. So we say that in the case of distance, direction is not there, only magnitude is there, and that's why distance is a scalar quantity. But in the case of displacement, with magnitude, direction is also there, and that's why it is a vector quantity. So these are the differences which we should consider between distance and displacement. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.